See this boy, you. What you know about Nyash?
I go slap this guy.
Why they go house?
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
This small boy won't cause trouble for me. Anyway, I go meet you for house. Wow, wow, wow. Hello, pretty dancer. You look so... Oh, you look so gorgeous. God, what a beautiful creatures. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you my name. Well, I'm Pablo by name. Hey! If you don't mind, can I know yours? I would like to have your number. You don't have to talk too much.
You like what you see? You like what you see? You like...
Follow me.
Yeah!
Are you playing? What type of playing is this? I think this is playing. Jesus.
Bola? Woman, they get bola.
Look at my face.
Okay, where you don't they go? Come on, come here, also.
Yeah. Come here.
Come here, also. Intruder.